Alright fam, welcome back to JKEC Outdoors. We here with another one, late season deer hunt, Idaho, Southern Idaho. Going to a little spot I've been to about 2 years ago. This late season's either sex. I ran into two does last year but couldn't get within 100 yards, or 2 or 3 years ago. So we're on our way. I'll check in when we get there. Booyah! Good spot up there. Where they at? Where are they at? Just kind of cruising along the road right now, honestly. Just looking for some spots for this afternoon. Still 12:30, so it's early, but we're getting after it. These suckers are around here somewhere. The road's a little crazy, so gotta focus on that. All right, fam, out here with the bow, late season Southern Idaho. We're gonna go see if we can find something. Scout out this place on Onyx. As you can see, it looks fairly barren around here. But we're gonna drop over this hill and then see if we can find anything. There's a cow track, but I thought there was a little deer track maybe mixed in there. We'll see. If not, I'm gonna check out this spot and then, sorry, the wind is pretty strong. We're gonna check out the spot. And then if nothing turns up at all, then we got another backup spot that we passed. So let's go see if we can find something. See if something pops out, maybe. I know they're working their way through this, and then that bench goes down in that ag field. They're definitely there. It's a good little spot, so work it and see what we can find out. Alright, so the wind's to my face right now, hitting me right here. I'm gonna circle around to over here. Let's see if I can peep in. See if there's anything below me. I've kind of been able to scan this little hillside, and I haven't seen anything. I haven't seen even a lot of strong trails going through there. So if they're working my side of the hill, then I'll be able to see, and then I'll be able to work down to see if there's any trails coming up out of that ag field up onto this hill, or that way. That would be a bit of a hike, but to hike back around this valley, but who knows what we do for deer, right? Okay, let's see what happens. All right, I'm about halfway down the mountain. You can see I've found myself in a little more open areas. I haven't seen any deer poop, no strong deer trails, just moose poop, old moose poop, some old moose tracks, like maybe from this summer. So it's not looking too good. I'm just gonna go down to the edge of these ag fields and then see if there's any strong trails down there. And if not, head back to the truck, go to spot 2 this afternoon. It's not looking too good in this spot, but as always, can turn quick. Took a video on the GoPro, but thought it might be better on the other camera. Look at this tree, absolutely annihilated. Something just came in here and wrecked its day. All right, been hanging out on this hillside, kind of scanning this area for a little bit, and I haven't seen anything. No trails. I mean, you saw that little footage of something way over there. Looks like a buck with an antler. It looks like antlers under a tree, but it's a bush. I've been watching it for a while, and I could be sleeping, but no animales yet. They're around here, so I just don't think they might not just be in this area right now. So I'm gonna go try the other area. Let's go. Okay, I saw this from a different trail. I'd come over and check it out. Tiny bones, little jawbone. Looks like a fawn. You guys know what jawbones are. Fawn, a small buck of some sort, maybe. I'm like super interested in finding a shed. I really want to find a shed, but I don't know if this is like a winter range for deer at all. There's somewhere around here. All right, I'm walking back to the truck. Overall synopsis of this area. It looks prime, but in reality, I think the cows have gotten here, eaten a lot of the food, pushed out the deer maybe just a little bit. So go find somewhere where the cows haven't been, maybe. That's where the deer will be at. I'm guessing. This is a wooded area. Get lots of sun, right on the edge of an ag field. I think there'd be a lot of trails in here, but maybe with the lack of water this year, they just staying close to water. There's not a lot of water in here, but oh man, I'm so tired, I guess. But we'll get back to the truck, get back to the new area, and we'll check in. All right, first spot was a little bit of a bust. The only real sign was some old moose poop, moose track, and then that rake tree that was messed up. So other than that, no deer sign. Maybe a small track here and there, I couldn't really tell. But no trails really used. So next spot, here we come. Well, this is not spot number 2, but you can see there's a truck way over there on that little plateau. I saw someone pulling out there this morning when I was coming up, so I thought, why not go look what they're looking at? So, not a lot, but beautiful views. Yeah. All right, spot number 2. So you can see the sun's going down. We're gonna catch some animals moving, hopefully, and see if we can get close enough for some footage. Probably put the GoPro back up and work our ways through these trees, and I think there's some opening on the other side where hopefully they'll be feeding, but we'll see. Alrighty, catch you in a sec. Alright, I've been working my way around this group of trees actually, and I was waiting for them to come out, get some last little sunlight, get some nibbles. I know they're held up in the trees because of the cold and the wind. The problem is I don't know how much food is actually out here since it hasn't rained that much. It's December 4th. It was 53 degrees today. Is it the 4th or the... No, today's like the 6th. and it was 54 up here on the mountain. There's no snow. I think it might have snowed once while, this season, but it's gonna be hard on the herd, I think, a little bit with the drought and then everything going on, but we'll see what happens. Finally some fresh sign, which is good. Been seeing a lot more tracks. They're definitely up in this a little higher section than down below by the fields, which is, I don't know what deer do sometimes. Alright fam, we're just getting back to the truck. Want to wrap up the video. Thanks for watching if you made it this far. Sorry we didn't have any more action, didn't see any deer. Kind of sucks. Saw that poop, saw a lot more track up in this spot, so even though that other spot made more sense, there's more sign, so I'll come back here maybe next year. Test my luck again. This is all I could do this year, so we'll see what happens. This is kind of, I thought deer season was already over, luckily. Well, my wife had to come down for her bridal shower, and so struck gold. Gotta go hunting one last time, but I don't know. Gonna get my little puppy ready for some shed hunting, maybe. Brought back some antlers, so see if he can get into it. And then I don't know. I want to do ice fishing this year, actually, so just takes a little bit of money for that little investment, or I need to find someone that's into it. So we'll see what happens. Can't complain with the views though, so thanks for watching again, and catch you guys next time.